Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Hypothesis test. Two-tailed test. Two-tailed test is a test of a statistical hypothesis where the region of rejection is on both sides of the sampling distribution. In such a case, the critical region lies in both the right and left tails of the sampling distribution of the test statistic. Example: suppose the null hypothesis states that the mean is equal to 10. The alternative hypothesis would be that the mean is less than 10 or greater than 10. The region of rejection would consist of a range of numbers located on both sides of sampling distribution. That is, the region of rejection would consist partly of numbers that were less than 10 and partly of numbers that were greater than 10. One-tailed test. One-tailed test is a test of statistical hypothesis where the region of rejection is only on one side of the sampling distribution. Alternative hypothesis. Alternative hypothesis H1 is given by H1 where mu is less than 0, that is left-tailed, or H1 mu is greater than 0, right-tailed. In the right tail, the critical region lies entirely in the right tail on the sampling distribution of sample statistics with area equal to the level of significance alpha. In the left tail, the critical region lies entirely on the left tail of the sampling distribution of theta with an area equal to the level of significance alpha. Suppose the null hypothesis states that the mean is less than or equal to 10. The alternative hypothesis would mean that the mean is greater than 10. The region of rejection would consist a range of numbers located on the right side of the sampling distribution, that is, a set of numbers greater than 10. The type of the test to be applied depends on the nature of alternative hypothesis. We applied one-tailed or two-tailed test accordingly as alternative hypothesis is one-tailed or two-tailed. The following table shows some critical values of Z. For large samples, for example, samples of number more than 30, the sampling distributions of many statistics are approximately normal distribution. In such cases, we can use the results of the table given above to formulate decision rules. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.